Trump is supposed to launch a meme coin or a altcoin, some type of project on the Robinhood chain. And we've seen this before, guys. We're not talking about meme coins. We're talking about polyfi plays. And I might have just found the next runner. I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last cycle, polyfi plays attached to our pro-crypto president Trump ran up to millions of dollars in market cap. And this one that we're looking at right now is on the Robinhood chain, and it is sub 100,000. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about cryptos every single day, and a lot of the plays that we covered on here, guys, have gone on to do a 2, 5, and even a 200x. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. So obviously, guys, if you don't know what a polyfi play is, it's basically stuff like this. It's something that's endorsing our pro-crypto president, right? You've seen things like MAGA, you've seen things like the Make America Great Again hat, or the meme coin. You've seen there was just so many meme coins last cycle that was focused around Trump, and a lot of them did pretty well, right? If you got in at the bottom and you rode it to the top, fair enough, you would have made a lot of money. For example, this one over here sitting at $700 million market cap, and I don't know if you guys know right now, but there is a rumor that Trump is set to release his own meme coin on Robinhood, which is why I'm kind of looking at polyfi plays once again. I'm taking a closer look at them because I really do think that these could have another run, especially as we get closer to midterm to the midterms, right? Because we are in the midterm year, which, you know, historically marks the beginning or the end of a bear market, the start of a bull market. And guys, I believe that this is a play that you may want to put on your radar. This is called Trump in the Hood. Let's just go over to their website over here. Now, I want to be very clear, right? The better that Trump would do, the more attention plays like this is going to get. Take it from the rich, giving to the degens. Wall Street had a 100-year head start and still needed a bailout. Trump in the Hood is a meme coin with a bow, a feathered hat, and a very poor understanding of financial regulation. Launch Trump Hood, steal the timeline, 1,000 holders, deck screener trending, meme bounty rails, and their next goal is 10,000 holders. So who exactly is Trump in the Hood? Trump in the Hood is a parody meme character built for the Robinhood chain crowd. Gold, green arrows, market chaos, and a mission to turn every timeline into Sherwood Forest. The joke is simple. The suits had Wall Street, the degens had the woods. Trump in the Hood is designed around community, memes, and momentum rather than promises. No complicated lore, no 80-page white paper, just a recognizable character, a strong visual identity, and a community that knows how to make noise. Now, the reason I even talk about a play like this, guys, is because projects like this in the past have done well. Now, we've heard rumors that he might be releasing his own project on Robinhood chain. Now, this is his official Trump token that was a absolute disaster on Solana. I think this ran up to about $9 to $10 billion market cap. No, even higher, right? It ran to like 18 billion, if I'm not mistaken. Now, we have this, right? So the new Trump launch is not fake. Earlier, media reported that Donald Trump's Truth Social was planning to issue a token. Rumor has it that the Truth token will be launched on Robinhood chain with a 1 billion total supply and a circulating supply of 500 million. 300 million is allocated to the liquidity pool, while 200 is set aside for ecosystem incentives. Just back on August 22nd, new wallets were conducting issuance tests on Robinhood chain. A dev wallet transferred in 300 ETH 4 hours ago and created 2 tokens back to back. The first iteration set at a 10% tax, while the second set to 0.3, and the full name was Truthcoin. Guys, listen, so Trump could genuinely be dropping a new project on Robinhood chain, and that means that projects like, you know, Trump in the Hood could actually do well if it gets the right amount of momentum and the right amount of exposure. And these guys are doing a pretty good job in trying to do that, because I just saw some YouTubers, some KOLs talking about this project as well. So it's not doing too bad, right? It is gaining a lot of traction right now. So again, if we get more traction and more people on board to this project, I don't see why it wouldn't do good. Just keep in mind, guys, at the end of the day, these are meme coins. They are very risky. These are very high risk, guys, sitting at $55,000 market cap. Now, one thing I will say is, if you guys want to know exactly when I buy, when I sell, when I get in and out of meme coins, you need to be a part of the inner circle. This right here is my private Discord community where you get my buy and sell calls, access to exclusive content you can't find anywhere else, and access to me 24/7. You guys get to talk to me, chat to me. I answer all of your questions inside of the inner circle. It's kind of like my own private community. Guys, it's called the inner circle for a reason. You guys literally are my inner circle. Now, with that being said, guys, definitely go ahead and check out Trump in the Hood. This isn't financial advice, but I genuinely do believe that this project could gain some traction if we see more hints at a potential project being dropped by Trump himself. Now, on that note, fellas, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, remember, this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.